Hi guys, welcome to Techino YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about screen capturing methods. These days there are a lot of guys using third-party software, but today I'm going to talk about capturing softwares uh, given by the Microsoft company in their Windows 10 operating system. So first, we like to talk snipping tool. It comes from Windows 7 also, but here we take a fresh and new look of the snipping tool. Okay, you can get that from searching snipping tool like that. Okay, here we can choose mode. Here there are 4 modes we can choose. I'll go through one by one. So in here I'm going to first take free from snip. This option we can take any capture like this. Line, so then it's captured. Second mode I am taking rectangular strip. So here we can drag any area that we want to capture like this, and remove the mouse button, then it is captured. Okay, cool. Third mode is window snip. Window snip, just imagine that you have opened some windows, 2 or 3 windows. From among them you can select which window that I want to capture. As an example, I will show you. Here I open 2 windows. If there are 2, then I select window snip. Then what I have to do is I just have to select one of this window. You can see the red line is selecting the window. So I take this window, then you have to just click, then screen is captured. Okay. Fourth mode is full screen snip. That means if you have a secondary monitor or something, that you can select what monitor is captured, and also you can save this captured picture as an you can save like this. I take capture like this, and here you can use save button here, and before you save you can do any update like that. You can use pen. There are red pen, blue, black, custom pen. Custom means that you can select any color. You can customize the color. The blue, the green, red, like that. You can the pointing, so which point you use, medium, thick, fine, like that. And chip cell tip pen, round tip pen, like it. You can customize it. You can customize it. You can customize that, and also you can use a highlighter. You can highlight the important things that you want to highlight. You can use eraser to erase these things. Okay, like this. And also there is option that we can edit with this captured picture in Paint 3D. So Paint 3D is another software developed by Microsoft. So here we can give the 3D look or appearance to the picture. Here also we can use markers, brushes, and watercolor, like that. There are many options we can use here. And so brushes here, and also like that, and you can adjust thickness and the capacity, and we can change the color of these brushes and pencils. So here we can give the 3D view of the picture, see, and also we can add here 2D shapes. What are the 2D shapes? We can give 3D shapes also. Just take one. Okay, so we can also customize these things. See, and here we can stickers, attach stickers here like that. See, and you can give some effects here. Canvas and 3D library. There are 3D library. You can select one of these categories. So I take one picture here. Okay, so we can just like this, and also can change there. And also this is the greatest option that they have introduced. You can merge like this. You can that's cool. Okay, then we see 3D options. Yeah, here you can see there. So there are lots of features that we can try and see. You can crop the image also, and a magic select. Yeah, here they have guided all the features that they have introduced. So it's a good app that they have introduced in Windows 10, Paint 3D. Good. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about this software detailedly. I just close this app. Here in snipping tool, back to snipping tool, here save this captured picture from here, and also you can go file and go save as, and give the file name, and also you can save as types. There are a lot of types, you know, GIP and JPEG and single HTML file and portable network graphic file, PNG. So like that. Okay, give a name for this capture, and you can select the file destination here. Select and save. Also you can use these features from here also, from tools and edit with the 3D paint and tools. So it's a good software that introduced. It is good for screen capturing. So here they have introduced a new screen capturing method after the snipping tool, snip and sketch, and also you can create from here the notification bar, and there is screen snip. You select it, and here also you can go to that snip and sketch option. So here like snipping tool, we can select the mood size, so what is the area that you want to select. There are lots of full screen snip like that, a window snip, and a freeform snip like that, a rectangular snip. So it's like snipping tool, but there are more advantages than snipping tool. Okay. And also you can press Windows Windows lock key, Shift plus S to open the snip app. So here also we have to click new button to take a capture. So, and also we can select from this thing from the tab here. Okay, I have selected rectangular, so just select drag like this and drop it, and then screen is captured. Okay, here as in snipping tool we can use pens and use colors, different colors, highlighters here like this. You can open file folder and save there, and you can go backwards and forwards. So what have you done to the captured picture? You can erase these things, and here you can use ruler also like that. Select pencil and you can crop it. Other than ruler, we can use protractor here like this. Take pencil, that color, so just select red color. Okay, here like this, you can draw anything that you want. Okay, and also here there are some options. You can zoom it, adjust the size to actual size also, and there is a search option, save option. You can save here. You can give a file name and also the file type, PNG, JPG and G file, and also you can copy this captured picture, and the best thing is you can share straightly this picture to social media or anything. And also there are some options. We can select you want to open this picture, and also print, and also you can use Ctrl plus P for print here, and also print, and you can select here the printer that you want to print. Here I don't have added printer here now, so you can select the attached printer or shared printer with your laptop or with your machine. And there are some options here. You can select those things as you wish to do, and then select print. The printer will come. And also there are, you can give some feedback, and also there are some settings that you can here. Auto copy to clipboard, there are some options given by them. So multiple windows, name volume, and you can see what are the tips and tricks that uses in Snip and Sketch app. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question regarding this, please comment, and any area that you wish to know, please let me know. See you in a new video. Have a good day. Bye.